Hey guys, welcome back to unboxing Soldier Star Set Part 2. Okay, I don't think Part 2 will be so good, but I know that 3 will be so good. I don't think that much. Is this a sword or a
gun? That is gun.
This.
Gun.
Gun is it? But it's so sharp.
It's a gun, I know. It's gun.
Yeah, this is the gun. It's a cool gun. It's it's an RPG. This is not a tank.
What?
Tank's tire is not like this.
But one thing I will tell, it can shoot.
But it's not a tank. Some cars can shoot like that in military. So this is nice design. Okay, see we can
Turn. This.
crossing. Oh my God! Look at this. I don't know what this is.
The fighter.
I know this thing. Oh no, I can keep it like that.
The helicopters. The helicopters are in the.
I can only do it like this. Triangle. See? Yeah. But it should actually be like this or something. But maybe it's the way to the tunnel. Okay, I don't know. And what the hell could this be? That's a mystery. That's a mystery. Not a big one.
There's
Two more toxic wasters. Those really look like toxic waste. Give me that. I'll show you.
It's like a door.
I keep it upside down. And also this.
It's like a door. Open.
Okay.
Yeah.
This
The
is...
toys are.
What is
this jet fighter?
It's written
I'll show you this. It's
Country Fire Protection. Oh my God.
look this. Look this here. Helicopter.
And that is a group of toxic waste. Yeah. See it is. You already see picture of this and thank you of that. On here. Oh, the tank, you see? And here are many other things. It's a cool picture.
Helicopter. We'll go to
And
the
we got a
stand.
signal.
The helicopter.
Okay, we can also keep that a finger. See, this is the F finger. And now keep it in. And this.
The
F word.